Hi, welcome to this video. To get web design clients on Instagram, you need to optimize your profile with a clear, value-driven bio and a professional picture, right? Consistently post engaging reels, before and after project snapshots, and educational content to showcase expertise. Actively engage with potential clients by using niche-driven or niche-specific searches and interacting through stories and DMs. Optimize your bio, showcase your work, create a niche account, and leverage reels to get more views. Okay? And you can interact with your target audience's stories and posts rather than waiting for them to find you. Reach out directly with personalized, value-based messages, avoiding generic sales pitch. Partner with local businesses or other creatives to expand your reach. So, for example, before and after, educational tips, behind the scenes. Stay consistent, avoid buying followers, and always include call to action in your captions and stories. Okay, so consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time. See you.